welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today I have another affordable Amazon wig review for you guys. I know I have been doing a lot of these Amazon wig reviews. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a cute bob unit from the company Fly Bao off of Amazon. Now granted, I just pulled up all the product details and stuff like that on my phone. It's a 13x4 lace front. This is a 12-inch lace frontal unit, and guys, I'm so happy. This hair did not come with brown lace. The wig didn't have a funky smell or anything like that to it. I was able to wash it with no issues. I was able to bleach the knots with no issues. I actually did over bleach just a little, not over bleached per se, but like the bleach kind of got farther up than I wanted it to, like right in this area. I don't think you can really pick it up on camera, but I can see it like when I'm looking at my mirror in front of me. But again, that's a oops on my part. Now you do have to bleach the knots yourself. I am going to insert a clip of how the wig looks like freshly washed after I bleach the knots and stuff like that. And basically that's what the wig looks like when I first got it out the box as well. Also earlier when you guys saw me installing the hair, I did quick show you guys what the inside of the cap looks like. I do like how it does already come with an elastic band for you. And honestly, when I was installing the wig, I can definitely see myself wearing this wig as like a glueless unit. Like if I want to quick put like some Got2b glue freeze spray or like some Got2b glue gel or something like that and have it lay flat, I can definitely do that as well in the future. Now me, I'm a creature of habit, and I wanted my hair to just look extra like sleek or whatever. So for this install, of course, I did use the usual method that I did use to install my wigs. Now the reason why I wanted to show you guys at the beginning exactly how I did everything is just because I just wanted you guys to see, like, if the wig doesn't look exactly how it looks on me on you, this is exactly the process that I did beginning to finish, minus minus me bleaching the knots and washing the hair. I wanted to show you guys exactly how I got this hair to look like this. Now what I did when I did originally look at the wig to decide whether or not I wanted to work with this company, the hair was actually $80 and some change for a 12-inch. But now that I'm pulling it up now, it actually got reduced down to $76.93. So basically like a $4 decrease, which is really good. So if y'all want to, quick jump on this before the price goes up again, definitely do that. Also, when it comes to delivery, this wig is eligible for Amazon Prime, which is definitely a plus, especially if, you're last minute going somewhere, you don't have a wig, you wanted to pick up something new last minute. So moving on to the specs of this hair, like I briefly said before, this is a 13x4, so it's basically ear to ear. And this hair was extremely easy for me to work with. I definitely did want to do like this cute type of like hair behind the ear, like flip curl look, because I saw Arnell do this hairstyle I think it was actually a few months. I was about to say a few weeks ago, but it was actually probably longer than that. When I saw her do that, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to do that too. Like that hairstyle looks so cute. So then when I got this wig in the mail, I was like, yes, I need to do that hairstyle. So that's why my hair is looking like this now. I absolutely love the way this hair looks. Like it is just so pretty. I love how thick this hair is as well. Now it's not thick to the point where it looks wiggy, because as you guys can see, it still was able to go down pretty flat with me not having to put a crap ton of mousse and Got2b glue freeze spray on it. And on top of that too, to be honest, my braids aren't even that flat on my head either. There's minimum shedding. Basically the tangling is non-existent because this is Brazilian straight hair. This hair, guys, literally it basically dried straight. Like I just had to go over with my flat iron again just to make sure everything was as flat as it could possibly be, because it was a little bit poofy. But again, I did let it sit on the mannequin head and air dry, so that's why. But I basically just had to pass through each section like 1 or 2 times to basically get it to be more flat. And then I passed it through the ends again just to flip it up. For me to do this style literally took like 2 seconds for me, like grabbing like random sections and just flipping the hair this way. So the hair was really easy for me to style. The curls did not drop at all, really. Like I've been wearing this hair for maybe like 2 or 3 hours now, because again, I don't know why it takes me so long to film in between videos, but I guess it just does. But yeah, so the curls really didn't drop that much at all from when I originally flipped it, so that's good. So I could definitely do a wear test to see how good this hair can hold the curl, because again, like, this hair is legit like straight hair, so we'll see how that goes in the future. But yeah, definitely I would, you know, let you guys know, like, y'all need to pick up this wig, especially if you wanted like a cute affordable bob. I do know that they do have a 14-inch in this as well, a 10-inch, and also an 8-inch, I believe. So even if you wanted to go a bit longer or shorter with this unit, you definitely can. So if I were to straighten this curl in the front out, the hair would come to about right here to me. And again, this is the 12-inch, and if anyone was wondering, I am 5'6". Again, the ends are really full as well. You don't get like super skippy ends to the point where you gotta chop it off. Like, the ends are very full as well on this unit. Listen, when it comes to a wig being good, there's really not much I can say about it besides the specs and whatnot. Again, the main thing, I love the cap construction. I love how I just had to put the adjustable straps on the wig, and the wig was basically laying flat already before me even having to put the glue on it. Will I say this wig is big head friendly? I will say it is big head friendly, but you may or may not have to cut the strap and maybe put like your own personal adjustable strap to the wig. That's all I will say on that. But this definitely is big head friendly. It's definitely small head friendly, because listen, usually wigs, I feel like to be flopping in the back of my head most of the time when I be having wigs. But with this wig, I really don't experience that too much, especially because of the elastic band as well that already comes with the wig. Other than that, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. Also, if you have any additional questions or anything like that, please don't forget to comment down below and let your girl know. If you guys even have any questions on like past units that I've reviewed as well that you had additional questions on, I'll definitely answer that as well. I won't mind at all. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help y'all out with these wig reviews, and to put you guys at ease when it comes to buying from some of these companies, okay? Just because you see companies that barely got any reviews doesn't automatically mean the hair is trash, because this company is definitely a very good example. Like, this hair is amazing, like amazing. I have no complaints with this hair at all. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below, even though I literally just said that. Hope you have a great day or evening or whatever time you happen to be watching this, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.